All right, so initially I just started out with these chords in Xenology. I just picked this bell piano. So then I just put Rhythmizer on it and I just reversed it and I just froze that into audio. Then I just grabbed this Xenology bell and I just put tape delay on it. I've been using this a lot. It's got a really nice sound to it. So the preset was double echo reverb and I just tweaked some of the parameters. Then I just found this preset called Celestia Box. It's really cool for like blade kind of sounds. And I just laid it with this Eternity delay, just on the default preset. I added this like extra bell for like call and response. And then to build a B section, I just got this preset in Serum. The preset itself was like interesting enough that I could keep the melody like really simple. So this is what it sounds like. This project file, along with all my other project files, are available on my Patreon. If you're somebody that struggles with melodies and building chords, I recommend you check that out. You can have access to all my project files and just go in there and deconstruct it, see how I go about things. So if that's something you're interested in, just go and check that out. I've also got my stash kit out for free. It's been available for a week nearly, so it'll be up there for a few more days for free. So check that out too if you're interested in some free drums. Thank you.